Hi, how to use SUMIF formula in Excel. Use the SUMIF function in Excel to sum values in a range that meet specific single criterion, right? The syntax is SUMIF, range, criteria, and sum range, where you define the cells to check, the condition to meet, and the corresponding cells to sum. Here's an example, right? Let me open, let's say, topics here. All right, I could just go ahead here to the FX, the top, and just add the formula, right? SUMIF, right? A2 ratioed by A10, apples, B2, B10, right? It's going to define, of course, the cells and everything. The range of cells you want to apply the criteria to, the condition that determines which cells to add, like cells less than 100, or cells referenced like F2, and the sum range, which is optional, the actual cells to sum, if this is omitted. Excel sums the cell in the range argument, right? So this is the example. This is a sum based on text. This is sum based on comparison, where you can type the same formula, right? B2 by, but instead of apples, you could just add B2 on B10, right? And then less than 100 or more than 1,000, whatever, right? And there's also sum based on cell reference. Some cells, if the item matches the cell or matches cell D2, right? So again, SUMIF, again, same formula, A2, A10, right? And we're going to put something in the middle called D2. Then you're going to be able to add, instead of apples here, I'm gonna just take this one out, right? And basically that's it. Key tips and common pitfalls here: always put text or logical operators like more or less inside double quotation marks in the criteria argument, e.g. less than 50, right? The range and sum range do not have to be the same size, but for best results, ensure they correspond correctly to avoid errors. Use the SUMIF's function with an S to sum values based on multiple criteria. So what's the difference between SUMIF versus SUMIFS, right? SUMIF is designed for a single criterion. SUMIF allows for multiple criteria and requires the sum range to be listed first. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.